How to fix 5G not working in iPhone on iOS 18. If you're having trouble with 5G on your iPhone running iOS 18, here are some steps to troubleshoot the issue. First, ensure your iPhone model supports 5G, as only models from iPhone 12 onward are 5G capable. Also, confirm that your mobile carrier provides 5G service in your area and that your data plan includes 5G. Next, check that 5G is enabled by navigating to Settings, Cellular Data Options, Voice and Data, and selecting either 5G Auto or 5G On. Low power mode can limit 5G usage, so if it's enabled, turn it off by going to Settings, Battery, and toggling off low power mode. Try toggling airplane mode on and off to reset your network connections. Open the Control Center, enable airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds, and disable it. Sometimes a simple restart of your iPhone can resolve temporary glitches. Just press and hold the power button, slide to power off, wait a moment, and turn it back on. Check for any carrier settings updates by connecting to Wi-Fi and going to Settings, General About. If an update prompt appears, follow the instructions. If the issue persists, reset your network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. Be aware that this will erase saved networks and passwords. Another option is to remove and reinsert the SIM card, as a misaligned card can cause connectivity issues. Power off your device, use a SIM ejector tool to remove the card, reinsert it, and restart your iPhone. If none of these solutions work, contact your carrier to check for network issues or account problems. Following these steps should help restore 5G functionality. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tech tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.